1904. London's fog clings to horse-drawn carriages, clattering like thunder. However, in a quiet Manchester workshop, two dreamers, Charles Rolls and Henry Royce, unleash a whisper on wheels. Did you know their first creation was so flawlessly engineered? It birthed the legend, the best car in the world. Yes, Rolls-Royce did not just build cars. They redefined extravagance. Buckle up, luxury lovers. Today, we are cruising through 121 years of Rolls-Royce evolution. From gritty pioneers to silent electric titans. Are you ready to feel the magic? Let us roll. It begins humbly in 1904 with the Rolls-Royce. 10 horsepower, the brand's debutante. This petite powerhouse packed a 1,849 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, churning 10 horsepower to hit 39 miles per hour tops. No frills, just pure ingenuity. A 3-speed gearbox and chain drive that made bumpy roads bearable. In an era of unreliable rattletraps, it whispered reliability, proving Royce's mantra. What is once well done is done forever. This little trailblazer hooked elite buyers, laying the cornerstone for a legacy of unmatched poise. Could it conquer the world? Just wait. Fast forward to 1907, enter the Silver Ghost. The ghost that haunted competitors. With a silky 7,036 cubic centimeters, inline-six belting 50 horsepower and a top speed of 60 miles per hour, it devoured a grueling 14,371 mile test without a hiccup, earning that immortal tag. Amid World War I's shadow, it chauffeured kings and spies, its nickel-silver finish gleaming like a silver bullet. Innovations? A refined cooling system and vibration-damping mounts for that signature waftability. The Ghost did not advance Rolls-Royce. It immortalized it as the pinnacle of prestige. Imagine silent speed in a world of chaos. Chills, yes? By 1925, the roar of the jazz age demanded drama. The Phantom I answered. This behemoth's 7,668 cubic centimeters inline-six, with an aluminum cylinder head for cooler runs, pushed 90 horsepower and 70 miles per hour. Born post-war boom, it catered to Hollywood stars and tycoons, its long hood evoking ocean liners on wheels. Key leap, servo-assisted brakes for safer swagger. It evolved the brand from survivor to symbol, whispering, luxury is not seen, it is felt. As engines grew hungrier, could Rolls keep the silence? Enter 1955 Silver Cloud, post-war glamour on steroids, swapping inline sixes for a 4,887 cubic centimeters version, later 6.2 liters. It mustered 155 horsepower and 100 mile per hour sprints. Amid economic rebirth, this curvaceous icon, over 7,700 built, blended, coach-built elegance with hydraulic self-leveling suspension for buttery rides. It advanced Rolls by democratizing divinity. Affordable, somewhat, opulence for the jet set. Picture Marilyn Monroe purring through Beverly Hills. Pure poetry. The 1960s shook things up. 1965's Silver Shadow went radical. The first monocoque chassis ditched old frames, pairing a 6.2-liter V8, 172 horsepower, 120 miles per hour, with Citroën-sourced hydraulic everything, brakes, steering, ride height. In Beatlemania swirl, it sold 16,000 units, proving Rolls could rock modernity without losing soul. This shadow cast long, introducing V8 Eternity, cementing engineering heresy as holy writ. Ever wonder why rides feel otherworldly? Blame this beast. Millennium Reset, 2003's Phantom 7, BMW-backed Renaissance. A 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 roared 453 horsepower, topping 149 miles per hour, with air suspension and starlight headliner twinkling like diamonds. Post-Vickers turmoil, it revived the flagship, blending hand-stitched hides with adaptive technology. Over 5,000 Phantoms later, it roared back relevance, luxury reborn for Silicon Valley sultans. Epic comeback? Absolutely. 2010's Ghost added ghostliness. Nimbler at 5,500 pounds. Its 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12, 563 horsepower, 155 miles per hour, danced where Phantoms wafted, targeting younger elites. Yacht-to-jet versatility shone via rear suicide doors and lounge-like rears. It exploded sales, over 40,000, proving Rolls could thrill without shouting. Legacy leap, accessibility with aristocracy. Then, 2023 Spectre electrified everything. Rolls-Royce's electric vehicle debut, dual motors, 577 horsepower, 664 pound-feet torque hurl 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. Max 155 miles per hour. On a 102 kilowatt-hour battery for 260 plus miles. Amid climate calls, its spirit of ecstasy glows infrared. Doors auto-suicide. Silent as the ghost, it advances to zero-emission zenith. Luxury untethered. The future? It is here. And 2025? The Phantom evolves anew. Series 3 whispers hybrid hints. Refined V12, 563 horsepower, 155 miles per hour. With illuminated Pantheon grille and augmented reality heads-up. Celebrating a century, it teases plug-in poise, upholding the throne. From 10 horsepower whispers to Spectre storm. Rolls-Royce is not just cars, it is dreams engineered. As electric horizons beckon, what is next? Flying phantoms? One thing is sure, the spirit endures. Craving more? Smash subscribe. Drop your favorite era below. Let us keep the conversation rolling.